Just the ribbons.
I got 6 ribbons and I don't know what one of them is for. I got 3 for being in Texas a year. One ribbon I never, see, the Army had a good conduct ribbon. And if you're in the service during the wartime, you get it for 1 year. But after that, it was 3 years. The second, third, and I don't know, the oak leaf cluster you'd put on. And then the Air Force put out a good conduct ribbon medal. But I got the orders, had to order someplace. But I never did put it on. I got it about the same time I got out. 7 April. 7 April would have completed. That's when I re-enlisted. I was out for a while.